Okay, we're not sure what this thing is. Is it alive because it is moving?
Okay.
Oh my god, it is moving. But get something to poke it with.
I am not.
I don't
dare touch that.
What? I want to touch it.
I don't know.
I need to find something, a stick, or get Good morning. Here we are. We're telling them where we're going. Panama City Beach. Oh, I have a new toy. I'm trying to learn. Oh, there we go. Learn how to use it. There we go. Yay! Yes. So it is 2 days after Christmas, and we're heading to the beach because why not? Nothing says Christmas like the beach, right? So this was a Christmas present from his family that we were gonna go. I'll go to the beach together. So that is where we're heading. We just had breakfast at McDonald's. And by the way, if you haven't had one of their new crispy chicken biscuits, they are awesome. Go get one. They're they're almost as good as Chick-fil-A's. Almost. So, but anyway, we thought we'd take you along with us to the beach. See what the beach is like at Christmas. But anyway, it's supposed to be beautiful at the beach. It's supposed to be mid-60s and sunny, and so we're looking forward to some beach time. Alright, so we will take you along with us on our trip. Oh yes, we have to show them the best rest stop on the planet. Yes, so we'll catch up with you there. Okay, so we're still on our way. This is probably the halfway mark.
A little bit over halfway.
A little bit over halfway.
Yeah,
this is a little...
there's a jail up here that we're going to throw Livy in.
A jail? No. This is a little town called Eufaula. This is Eufaula, Alabama. And the reason why you turned out is because in just a second, we're going to go through their historic neighborhood. And it is absolutely the prettiest little neighborhood. The prettiest houses. They remind me a lot of houses in the Garden District in New Orleans.
I'm going to move into all of these.
Well, there's usually one or two for sale.
A lot of them are used for
Businesses.
like you'll have somebody have their legal office set up or whatnot.
Some of them you can tell they've been... Oh, there's a big old reindeer out there. There was one that they've been restoring for years, and I wonder if they finally have that one done. Oops, let's turn it this way. Not that way. There we go. That is not one. Look at this one right here. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That one's gorgeous.
Is it that one?
Yes, this one. Still not restored, but it's going to be beautiful when they have it restored. Anyway, that's Eufaula. Then we hi. Welcome.
Lord.
To the dumb, leave the dumber. Where are we at, girls? Oh my word! Always tell them we're here.
Look at the doggies. They're not here yet.
Did we beat them?
Surely not. Oh, somebody left their pooch. That's not cool.
Or maybe it's just this old lady's.
Hey, park.
Well, Jesse and Adam are also looking at the dog.
Anyway, hi.
Okay.
Here we are. We're in.
No, restart.
We have been
We can
making
edit.
yeah. We have been making this run for coming up on 50 years now. Or I have.
Not me.
No, Dad, you've been
down.
making this run for exactly 50 years.
Thereabouts.
Yeah.
No.
Some years I missed it, but anyway. So this is one of the places we always stop.
Yeah. So we're at the Dunes of Panama. This is one of the rooms. This is Jess and Adam's room. This is their spare. Pretty standard. Cute little bathroom. Really nice little cabinets.
They filled it up with hot glue.
Standard.
I said, oh.
This is the bigger one. Hi, Jessie.
It's pretty in here too.
It is pretty in here. I love these cabinets. Real pretty cabinets. Nice big bedroom.
I'm not crap everywhere.
That's alright. Hey, babe. Kitchen.
Where?
Oh,
They're usually fully stocked. Hey.
you can't get next to it.
Okay. Okie dokie.
And then we're on the 4th floor, so our
Yeah.
balcony is. Y'all got a bathroom.
Yeah, this is 4th floor balcony.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I kick them out.
Well,
Ah.
yeah, really. 4th floor.
There's the cold pool.
Yeah, there is the cold pool. Even in the summertime, that pool is really
But they don't
cold.
have the heated pool open.
No, they don't.
You can
Anyway.
swim all you want to in the cold pools, but not in the warm pools.
We're going down here walking our dogs.
Okay, I gotta record this.
I want Mim and Mom to see you.
I'm filming, trust me.
I almost got it once.
Oh,
Oh God, it's hard.
just pick it up and flick it.
I'm not picking it up.
Fling it! Oh,